हाँ चलो.
Yes students, today we will do baking soda. Common name is baking soda. Chemical formula is NaHCO3 and chemical name is sodium bi or you can say hydrogen carbonate. Sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Its pH is greater than 7. Nature it is mild base. How it is prepared? It is prepared by solvase process. What we do? We pass carbon dioxide gas in ammonical brine solution. Brine solution is NaCl plus H2O. This is brine solution. But when we add ammonia in it, it becomes ammonical brine solution. And when we pass carbon dioxide in it, ammonium chloride and baking soda is formed and reaction is balanced. Color and state. It is white crystalline solid. Action of air. It is stable in air. Nothing will happen if you keep the bottle of sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, open. Nothing will happen. It is stable in air. Solubility. It is sprangly soluble in water. What happens when we dissolve baking soda in water? It converts into sodium hydroxide and carbonic acid. Its solution is alkaline in nature due to salt hydrolysis. Action of heat. When we heat baking soda, it gives Na2CO3, water and carbon dioxide gas. Now it is used as a constituent of baking powder to aerate the dough. This carbon dioxide gas, it makes the pastries or bread or cake fluffy and spongy because we add baking powder which contains baking soda. Action of acids. When baking soda react with acids, it gives carbon dioxide gas with brisk effervescence, and this is the symptom of identification of sodium bicarbonate. Baking powder. Baking powder is nothing but it is baking soda plus a mild edible acid, and that is tartaric acid, and it is baking powder. If we add only baking soda while making cake, the cake will be bitter because baking soda is a base. The cake will not taste sweet, it will be bitter. But tartaric acid, it neutralizes the effect of base and it make the cake sweet. So baking powder should be added while making cake. Uses of baking soda. Baking soda, it is used, medicinal used as antacid. When there is acidity in the stomach, all of you know that stomach contain HCl acid. When there is acidity in stomach, in your home, baking soda is available. You just बेकिंग सोडा को बेटा पानी में ऐड करो और उसका घोल बना के पी लो और एसिडिटी से रिलीफ मिलेगा. बिकॉज NaCl it is a common salt, it is formed water and carbon dioxide will be exhaled out. As an additive in food and drinks and in soda acid fire extinguisher, we use sodium bicarbonate. Thank you.